Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, dear listeners? I hope you will be fine. Inshallah, today we are starting our new session, learning Arabic language of the Quran. In this session, you will learn most important topics of Arabic language. Inshallah, so let's start. So, our first topic is to know about word, noun, and verb in Arabic language. Word is called al-kalima. Al-kalima means a word is a unit of spoken or written language. Like example, kitabun. Kitabun means a book. Alima. Alima, he knew. Kataba. Kataba, he wrote. So kinds of words, anwa'ul kalima. There are three kinds of words. The first one is noun, al-ism. The second one is verb, al-fi'al. The third one is particle, means al-harf. So, in words, there are three kinds. The first one is noun, verb, and particle. Noun in Arabic, al-ism. Verb in Arabic, al-fi'al. Particle in Arabic, al-harf. You know about the definition of noun. A noun is the name of person, place, or anything. Okay. So, in Arabic, what is noun? Like Allah, Muhammad, Hajar, stone, Faras, horse, Jannah, garden, Nakhil, palm, Nar, fire, Tayr, bird, Qamar, moon, Shams, sun, Layla, night, Nahar, morning, Qiyamah, doomsday, Feel, elephant, Habl, rope, Balad, city. So you know very well that there are two classifications like definite noun and indefinite noun. Now uh, we will inshallah I will show you after completing this topic. Okay, verb al-fi'l. Verb denotes action in relation to past, present, or future tense. الفعل يعني الفعل الماضي الفعل المضارع الفعل الأمر الفعل النهي. So فتح, he opened, relates to past. يضرب, future or present. اسمع, الفعل الأمر. لا تنصر, الفعل النهي. Inshallah, in the upcoming lectures, we will explore these things inshallah. Okay, and the third one is al-harf. Al-harf, it's a word which does not convey complete meaning when it stands alone. It gives meaning to a sentence only when it is used with a verb or a noun. The particle does not indicate the past, present, or future tense like min, an, ala, fi, bi, li. These are the examples of al-harf. So the first thing is al-ism. Al-ism, noun, noun. This is a very important topic. Nouns are divided into two kinds. Two kinds, indefinite noun and the definite noun. Indefinite noun in Arabic, an-nakira, al-ismun nakira. Definite, al-ma'arifa, al-ismul ma'arifa, al-ismul ma'arifa. Okay, so indefinite nouns, asma'un nakira, are names given in general to the living or non-living things like common nouns, common nouns, common nouns. And indefinite nouns end with nunation, like this: rajulun, lun, adabun, samaun. This is tanween. Tanween, dhamma, like bun, tanween, ban, bin, bun, ban, bin, adabun, adaban, adabin. These are the three kinds of tanween. Okay. So indefinite nouns ends with nunation, and the examples: rajulun, imra'atun, samakun, ma'un, adabun, samaun, ardun, suratun. Okay. Mulkun, hablun, jabalun. This is jabalun, not hablun means rope, and jabalun means mountain. Okay. So we described earlier the indefinite nouns, but the definite nouns, al-asma'ul ma'rifa, are proper names given to certain person, place, or an object. You know very well about this. Okay. Example like Nuhun, Hamidun with nunation. Nuhun, hun nunation. Hamidun nunation like dun. Okay. Ahmadu, Ibrahimu without nunation. These are some exceptional rare cases. In rare cases, there is no nunation on single words. Okay. Inshallah. Al asma ghair munsarif. Okay. We will inshallah describe this after some lessons inshallah at that point. Okay. So now the topic is important characteristics of a noun. The following are some important characteristics of a noun. Okay. A noun usually has a nunation on it like this. Noun is usually has a nunation on it. Okay. Jabalun, suratun, ardun, samaun, imra'atun, samakun, ma'un, mulkun, nunation. But like this they also put some examples: baytun, kursiyun, qalamun, kitabun, rasulun. Okay. But there are two conditions in which the nunation is dropped. Nunation is dropped. Two conditions. The first one is the indefinite noun can be changed to definite by adding the prefix al. Like I will show you. Baytun, when we will add al, so baytun is indefinite noun, so it will become definite with addition of al. Al plus baytun, al baytu, tu. Okay. So the nunation will be finished when we will add al. Okay. Al baytun, al baytu, al kursiyu, al qalamu, al kitabu, ar rasulu. Okay. Now you will see here in the lesson, the indefinite noun can be changed to definite by adding the prefix al, which is a definite article, and the nunation is dropped. Okay. The nunation is dropped. Okay. Al plus bintun. The answer is al bintu. The nunation is dropped and it becomes definite noun. This was indefinite noun, but after addition of al, it becomes al bintu definite. Okay. Al Naba'un means news. Okay. Al-naba'u, al-naba'u, an-naba'u. Okay. Inshallah, you will see after this lesson moon letters and sun letters. So you will see in that lectures where we will use or we will read lam, or where we will silent this lam. Okay. An-naba'u, al-bintu, an-naba'u, al-bintu, al-fakihatu, al-fakihatu. So fakihatun was indefinite, but with the addition of al, it becomes definite. Al-fakihatu, al-fakihatu, al-malikun, al-maliku, al-maliku, al-fiddatu, al-fiddatu, al-yawmu, al-yawmu. Okay, the proper nouns like the next note, so you should memorize this. The proper nouns like Hamidun, Khalidun are definite by nature. They have nunation. The nunation is identification of a indefinite noun. Please memorize nunation, nunation, yawmun, yawmun, mun. This is identification of indefinite noun, okay. But in some cases, the proper nouns like Hamidun, Khalidun are definite by nature. Therefore, al cannot be added to them. Okay. Al, we will add al when we want to convert indefinite noun to definite. Okay. But Hamidun is definite by nature. So we will not add al-hamidu. Al-hamidu. Okay. Clear? So you should also ask me questions in my comments. Okay. So I will answer you. Okay. The next point is when two nouns come together in the possessive form. Possessive form, the nunation is dropped from the first noun, while the corresponding haraka will remain. The second noun will have kasra or tanween kasra. Okay. I will show you with example, then you will inshallah understand. See, narun, Allahu. Narun is indefinite noun. Allahu, lafzul jalala, is definite. Narun, Allahu. So he said, when two nouns come together in the possessive form, like another example, Rasulun, Allahu. He said, when two nouns come together, this is noun, indefinite noun, Allahu, lafzul jalala, definite. Okay. When two nouns come together in the possessive form, the nunation is dropped from the first noun. Nunation dropped. Narullahi, narullahi. We will not say narun Allahi. Okay. So it's a possessive. The fire of Allah, narullahi. Okay. When two nouns come together in the possessive form, the nunation is dropped from the first noun. Nunation dropped. Okay. While the corresponding haraka will remain. Haraka, corresponding haraka, ru, na, ru. Okay. The second noun will have kasra or tanween kasra. Okay. On this noun, there there will become kasra. Okay, in possessive case. In possessive case only. Okay. Rasulun Allahu, Rasulullahi, Ashabun al Qaburu, Ashabul Uburi. The second noun in possessive case having kasra. But the first noun, it will become from nunation, it will convert from nunation to one movement like dhamma, fatha, kasra. Okay. Ashabul kuburi, kitabukum, baytuka, baytuka, to baytu. So the point is baytu, kitabu, ashabu, rasulu, naru. Okay. So will you understand? Inshallah, we will discuss again this topic inshallah in our next lesson on whiteboard or a notebook. Okay, inshallah. So remain in touch with us. Inshallah, we will deliver our lecture every day. So subscribe our channel to get notified with our new videos. Okay. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.